How do you get your suspended driver's license back in Ontario? Before you can get your license back and start legally driving, you need to know why your license is suspended. The reason why is the process to get your driver's license back is different depending on why your license was suspended in the first place. If you don't know why your driver's license is suspended, contact the Ministry of Transportation of Ontario, known as the MTO, and they will let you know. In this video, I'm going to cover the most common reasons we see from our client base as to why their license was suspended and how to get it back. Before I start with the list of reasons, it's critical to know that when you are eligible to get back your license, you should contact the MTO to get confirmation in writing that you can, in fact, legally drive. You may need to pay a reinstatement fee, but get everything in writing from the Ministry of Transportation of Ontario. First, your license is suspended because of unpaid fines. The most common reason why people get their license suspended is because of unpaid fines. And this is the most common reason why people get charged with driving while under suspension. To get your license back, you need to pay your fines in full. If you don't have the funds to pay off your fines, you should reach out to the court and inquire on how to enter into a payment plan. Once you get approved for a payment plan, you can then get your license back from the MTO. Second, your license is suspended because of a suspension period imposed by the Ministry of Transportation of Ontario. There are many laws that can trigger the MTO to suspend your license. The most common laws are from the Highway Traffic Act of Ontario and the Criminal Code of Canada. For example, if you get charged with stunt driving, you will immediately get a 30-day license suspension. Another common example is if you're a novice driver and you get any ticket which has 4 or more points, the MTO will give you a 30-day license suspension. And there are many other examples of these time-based license suspensions. In most cases, to get your license back, you just need to wait out the time prescribed by the MTO, and you cannot get your license back earlier than the time imposed by the MTO. Third, your license is suspended because of a family law matter. Family law matters are handled by the Family Responsibility Office, known as FRO. The most common license suspension that arises from FRO is when a person does not pay child or spousal support. The only way you can get your license back is to make arrangements with FRO to deal with your outstanding support obligations. Once an arrangement has been made, then FRO will communicate with the MTO to get your license back. Fourth, your license is suspended for a medical reason. In these situations, you need to work with your family doctor to address the issue that caused your doctor to suspend your license. Once your doctor is satisfied that you can safely drive, your doctor will contact the Ministry of Transportation of Ontario to allow you to get your license back. Finally, there are many other reasons why your license may be suspended that I've not covered in this video. It's always best to contact the Ministry of Transportation of Ontario to confirm why your license is suspended and what you need to do to get it back so you can legally drive again. If you've been charged with driving with a suspended license in Ontario, your legal strategy is critical because you're facing a mandatory 6-month driving suspension, and in some cases you may be facing jail time. Strategy matters. Reach out, let's have a free and confidential discussion about your case.